This is kind of fun because it does a bunch of weird different things. So the first is I've got a spreadsheet of information. I've already filled out this row with some garbage for me. I'm gonna pick a student from our drop-down list, which is built dynamically. Bam, it builds me this URL. There's a bunch of stuff in here. My name, my title, my affiliation, as well as the student I've chosen to review or been chosen for me. We could send that to the reviewer. It's going to pull down their PhotoFika card, right? So it's building this on the fly from the Google Sheet. Then it's also embedding the Google form and filling out particular fields. You see fake person, Lord of the Dance, my affiliation, friends of Kevin Bacon. So I just think it's kind of neat because JavaScript is pulling parameters here to create the page, but it's also pulling parameters then to fill out this iframe parameters of an embedded Google form. So it's just a weird mix. It amused me. Maybe it'll amuse others.